Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all feeling well. So today in this video we will talk about the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Talking about the OneUi 8.5 update, so the beta 4 is already out for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but we can also expect a beta 5 this time around. If we talk about the official release of the OneUi 8.5, so the official update will be released with the Galaxy S26 series, which is to be announced on the February 25th. Talking about the Galaxy S26 series, so if you are planning to buy the Galaxy S26 Ultra, so this is a case that you guys should must check out. It is from Benks. This is their armor-tained phone case and just look at it. The design of this case is just amazing. I am really surprised with the thinness of this case, as you guys can see how thin this case is. So now forget the bulky cases and get your Benks case if you are planning to buy a Galaxy S26 Ultra. I am really excited to use this case on the Galaxy S26 Ultra. There are multiple other cases also available like the Armor Grid, Montage and many other are also available on their website. The link is available in the description. You can also check out this glass protector. Now let's continue with the OneUi 8.5 for the Galaxy S25 series. So if you talk about that, what you can expect with the update. So this time around you will get to see some more customization option within the control panel and their multiple apps are also being updated. This time you will get to see a pill-like menu bar in multiple apps, which is quite similar to iOS. And this is how the calculator app will look like, and it is really enhanced from the previous OneUi 8 version. Even in the Samsung Internet app, you will get to see this pill-like option. There are multiple apps in which you will get to see this similar thing. It looks a bit inspired from the iOS, but it is really looking good on this Samsung as well. Now, if you talk about the release date, that when you can expect this official update on your Galaxy S25 Ultra, as the beta version is not available in all the countries. So in the month of March or April, you can expect this update on your phone. So in the end of March or in April month, you will get to see this OneUi 8.5 update on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And that's a wrap for today's video. This was some latest news regarding the OneUi 8.5 update for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. If you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe.